The Lord be with you. Happy month of the hearts. It's February 1st, and hopefully this new month will bring us so much blessing and hope in our hearts as we celebrate Jubilee of Hope. Today, our gospel is coming from St. Mark chapter 4, verses 35 to 41. Jesus Christ was sleeping when suddenly the strong wind and the strong waves tossed the boats of the disciples. They were afraid, and they felt like Jesus Christ was not concerned at all because he was soundly sleeping in a cushion. My dear sisters and brothers, we can relate on that. Have you ever felt like there were times when you feel like God is seemingly not concerned about our suffering? Feeling like God is sleeping and care not about the pain, about the struggle, about everything that's happening on us. We are being mistaken. On the contrary, God is silently weeping with us. If at times we feel like God is not concerned about suffering, it is because we are too focused on the pain that we didn't see and we didn't feel God. We put God at the sideline and we put the pain, the frustration, and the suffering as the main concern of our life. And we didn't realize God is there all along. And besides, God is in control of everything. Remember this, God will always win the fight for all of us. In the end, we will never be losers. God will be defending on us. God didn't promise that everything will be okay and everything will be easy for us. But God promised that if we will be with Him all throughout of our life, we will be assured of win in the end of our life. Just be patient. God is not far from us. Rest assured that God is in control of our life. God bless you.